What's up, guys? My name is Brian Story and welcome to your second tutorial on how to build a web server. So, we already got our parts, we went over the part list. I got the motherboard, we got the processor, we got the SSD hard drive, we got our 8 gigs of memory, we got our case. Guys, this is something I kind of forgot to tell you. Don't forget to have some sort of input device. You need a keyboard. You don't necessarily need a mouse for a Linux machine, but I picked up a wireless mouse and keyboard, so we're pretty good there. What else? You also need a Phillips screwdriver. That's it. This tool is all we're going to use to put together the entire machine. So now we got our parts. Let's get going. Let's get moving.
Alright, so let's take the case out of the box. Let's get this stuff going. Whoa! Holy fudge muffins. Dude, I didn't get a case, I got a cat in a box. What am I going to do with this? Okay, so let's take this thing apart. All we're going to need is this screwdriver. And we're going to just loosen these bolts up a little bit. This one's going to be tough. They always tighten these to the maximum capacity. For some reason, they're never just easy to pull off. Not right out of the box anyway. The rest of these. The rest of these are pretty good. So we're going to take all the back bolts off. So the first thing you want to do is kind of examine the case, go through everything. It's kind of interesting. Okay, let's see how all this comes off. Oh, I forgot to. Okay, so that just slides out like that, revealing our 2 fans in the back. Okay, stay in the box. She likes it. Alright, the top pops off like this, revealing the top fan. I'm gonna just put that aside for now, and now we have access to the inside of the case. We got some wire ties, the speakers in there, the motherboard bolts, a few extra things. So that's cool. What else? What else? I think this top comes off. There's some thumb screws here. And kind of difficult to get off, but ooh, that's cool. So you guys can see how that just kind of comes apart. We can install our drive bays into that. So what I like to do is I like to take all the wires out, kind of stretch it over the case, get them out of my way. This looks like it's for the hard drives inside here. What's that? It's like a rubber stopper. So this bolt is a little bit different. It's the only one in the case that's different, as far as I've seen so far. And that just kind of pulls off. Cool. So that's where our hard drive will go. That's where we're going to mount our SSD. And that's pretty much the disassembly of the case. It's cool. There's a lot of space in here. I kind of already know where I'm going to run my wires. That's definitely interesting. Alright, well, tune into the next video where we're going to go over installing the motherboard, and subscribe.